Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll share with you another early to join testnet airdrop, and the project is called Creek. So this project is really interesting, and what it will do is it will bring your gold onto the blockchain. This is the first thing. And what will you be able to do with your gold here? You'll be able to stake it, borrow, earn from your gold. So basically Creek is a decentralized RWAfi protocol where you can separate gold's value into tradable components, stake tokens to earn yield, and unlock high capital efficiency from your gold holdings. If you want more information about their project, then you can visit their website. If you visit their X profile, you see they have 25k followers right now, and on the pinned post you see they mention that testnet is now live. Here as you can see they launched the testnet on SUI Network. So in the future all the things we are going to see will be on the SUI blockchain. As for the funding, it is showing $100 million raised and the valuation is 1 billion. Many things are not available in the market yet because this is a new thing, meaning it is new, and as soon as some updates come I will share with you on Telegram. So if you still not join our Telegram channel, then you miss lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the joining link in the description, so check it out. So to join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description where you find this page link. So after landing here, on the right side you will see the wallet connect option. Simply click on connect wallet. Then you can connect SUI wallet, you can connect Slush, Phantom, or any wallet you have installed on your device. I will connect Slush wallet here, then approve the request, and done. So we are ready to go, and here you have to earn aura points. You will see your rank, referrals, and referral aura, etc. First, what you have to do, you have to take SUI faucet. I'll also provide all the links in the video description post. You can connect your wallet here, or simply fill out your address, request test, and we will receive test tokens within some time. After that, in testnet you have to do what? You will see all batches and swaps here. Swap, stake, borrow. You need to do all of them. Go to swap. Whatever token balance you see, swap USDC to GUSD, their gold backed digital token. So to do this, all you need to claim faucet. So click here on faucet. So here you can mint XEOM, USDC, and SUI faucet. So click on mint USDC. Here you can put 10, then mint, and then approve, and done. Then go to swap option, and here enter the amount of USDC you want to swap. For example, let's put 10, and then click on swap, and then approve the request, and done. So let's mint XEOM, select the amount, so I select 1, then stake, and then approve the request, and done. Also, if you click here on redeem option, then if you want you can redeem. So enter the amount, then click on redeem and approve the request, and done. Next, click here on borrow, and here select the token you want to borrow. For example, I'll select SUI, enter the amount, so I put 1 here, then click on deposit, and then approve, and done. After that you can repay and withdraw. All these you check. So now back to aura, and here also you see lots of tasks. You can complete each of them. You can complete daily check-ins, and here also some basic social tasks. For example, click here connect Twitter, then authorize app, and done. Next, click here to follow them. So follow their X profile, and it's done. Next, click connect Discord, then authorize, and it's done. Next, click here to join their Discord server. So accept the invite, and done. Also click here on the referral section. Here you will find your link which you can share with friends to boost points. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.